Welcome back, everyone. This is Uhfgood, also known as Keith, or Bob, or I don't know, whatever you want to call me. And I'm actually doing this update because I haven't did it for a while because Unity said that I needed to download a certain update, and I was just like, well, maybe I need to install it. But I'm not going to restart after the installation here. I'm going to go ahead and um, see, now it's actually installing. I'm not going to restart though, of course. I'm going to go back in here and before I do anything, let's go to let's go to the asset store, or let's go to open in Unity. Let's see what we got here. Now my sample project should probably still be in there, presumably, and we'll see if it needs to like missing editor version on this machine. Select another version, list or install the missing one. Okay, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and show and explore then. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. That's weird. Okay, so I know you didn't notice me talking, but because I was typing in internet relay chat, but the stupid thing should have just said, "Do you want me to convert it to the newest version?" instead of saying you have to have the old version to use it. I don't necessarily want all versions in there. I would just want the one, at least right now. Uh, of course it does. It said I needed the earlier version. Basically, when I installed the newest version, I uninstalled 0.1.2. Basically, when I installed the newest version, I uninstalled 0.1.2, and then the project, then the hub wouldn't open the project because 0.1.2 wasn't there. Hmm. Basically, when I installed the newest version, I uninstalled 1.1.2, and then the hub wouldn't open the project because of 0.1.2 wasn't there. So I don't know what happened. I'm just going to start a new project. It's because I just started, though. Otherwise, I might just leave it. But I don't want to keep adding 10 worth of Unity installs, because eventually I'll run out of hard drive space. Really good luck updating Unity projects. The last 4 was always hit or miss. So maybe it was just the way I did it through the hub. The hub seems like a pain in the butt. Okay, so I'm still on video here. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna open in Unity. We're gonna add a new project. Okay, we're gonna say adventure sample game. Okay, and the dev stuff Unity projects, which is where I want it to go. We're gonna create it. We're going to allow access, of course. No, I'm not going to restart. I can restart in a bit unless Unity requires it. Okay. Can you open the Unity editor without using the hub? Should be able to, but I have to find it. Why did it stop working? I say close the program. That's probably, I need to restart probably. But that's okay. If this still works, if it works, cool. Okay? So, component. Mesh, window, assets. Import new asset. Where is my assets? File. How do I... Okay. Kind of nuts here. How do I download an asset? Okay. So. Window Asset Store. Okay, there's the asset store right there. Okay. Connect to the asset store. Okay, so now I have to look at my assets somewhere. Okay, let's go back here. Find the asset you want to download by searching for it in the search bar inside the asset store window at the top of it. Alternatively, you can select your name in the right-hand menu, top right-hand menu, select My Orders. Oh, I have to sign in. Right, because this is in the program. So, and actually here, I'll do this off screen here. Sign in. Oh, yes. Forgot, I did the stupid two-factor, which is dumb. I might go ahead and eat lunch anyways. This video is about ready to be over, which is fine. I need to go to my authenticator app, and I need to put in the... Okay. Verify. Not that it matters if you see the verification code, but still. Off screen. That means it'll be off screen the next time I have to do that, if ever. But that's quite alright. Quite alright. Okay, so now let's go into my assets and download. So now it finally has a download link. Great. And how long is it going to take to download? Okay, so I downloaded it. Now what? Find the asset you want to download. My orders. Give you a list of purchases. The download button. Once you've downloaded your assets, it can be found in the following locations: Windows, User, App Data, Roaming, Unity, Asset Store. If you're not able to reveal the download or input runs, but upon press the buy, that means that your purchase has not gone through. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and I'm going to go ahead and, what am I going to do here? This is kind of goofy. This is kind of backwards. I had to start a stupid project, and then to be able to actually go and get this, then I had to go into download. So I had to go. So I hit buy on the web page. Then it says open in Unity. So it opens the Unity hub, and then I had to create a new project, and it wouldn't let me open the old project in the new version of Unity. So after I uninstalled it, so I had to delete it. Then I had to restart, create a new project. Then I had to go in here. I had to sign in. I had to click download, and I downloaded it. And now it's still not in here. I still have to put it in here. It just doesn't. That's just goofy. Okay, so assets, create, no. Import new package, import new asset. So what the heck am I supposed to do now? I don't know. I'm going to ask around. I'm going to figure it out, and then I'm going to tell you what I did, so that maybe some of you can don't have to go through the same thing. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the I'll see you the next day. So I'll talk to you later.